Alright, let's dive into something that's got the space community buzzing. So, the Canadian Space Agency just announced they're repurposing Canadarm3 investments to support the next phase of lunar exploration as part of the Artemis program. Sounds like a big deal, right? But here's the thing, this isn't just another space mission update. It's a strategic pivot that could redefine Canada's role in the new space race. Personally, I think this move is a masterclass in adaptability. Instead of shelving a project, they are redirecting its potential to meet the demands of lunar exploration. What makes this really interesting is how it highlights the evolving nature of space programs. It's not just about building something, it's about reimagining its purpose when the landscape shifts. Now, let's talk about Canadarm3 itself. This isn't just any tech, it's the next iteration of Canada's legendary space robotics lineage. From the Canadarm on the Space Shuttle to Canadarm2 on the ISS, these robotic arms have been the unsung heroes of space missions for decades. What many people don't realize is how critical these systems are for both routine operations and those unexpected moments that define space exploration. The Canadarm3 was initially designed for a different purpose, but now it's being retooled for the Moon. If you take a step back and think about it, this is a testament to the versatility of Canadian engineering. It's like taking a tool built for one job and realizing it's perfect for something entirely new and way more ambitious. MDA Space, the company behind these robotic marvels, is obviously all in on this. Their CEO, Mike Greenlee, called it a once-in-a-generation opportunity to advance Canada's leadership in space. And honestly, I can't help but agree. Canada has this quiet but profound legacy in space robotics, and this could be their moment to shine again. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. The Artemis program isn't just about planting flags or taking photos. It's about establishing a sustained human presence on the Moon. That means logistics, infrastructure, and systems that can handle the harsh lunar environment. MDA Space is positioning itself as the go-to provider for surface logistics, which, in my opinion, is a brilliant move. They're not just selling tech, they're offering solutions for the next frontier of human exploration. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. The Artemis program is a global effort, but it's also a race. Countries and companies are jockeying for position in what could be the most significant space endeavor since the Apollo missions. Canada's decision to repurpose Canadarm3 isn't just about staying relevant, it's about leveraging their unique strengths to carve out a niche in this new era. What this really suggests is that in the modern space race, adaptability and innovation are just as important as raw capability. It's not enough to have the best tech, you need to know how to pivot when the game changes. One detail I find fascinating is the forward-looking nature of this announcement. MDA Space is talking about sustained human presence on the Moon, which raises a deeper question: what does it mean to build a future beyond Earth? We are not just visiting the Moon anymore, we are planning to stay. And that changes everything, from how we design technology to how we think about international cooperation. From my perspective, this isn't just about Canada or MDA Space, it's about the collective ambition of humanity to push boundaries. The Canadarm3 repurposing is a small but significant step in that direction. So, where does this leave us? Personally, I think this announcement is a wake-up call for anyone who thinks space exploration is stagnant. The Artemis program is reshaping the industry, and companies like MDA Space are showing us how to stay ahead of the curve. One thing that immediately stands out is the emphasis on robotics and logistics. As we move further into space, these are going to be the backbone of every mission. And Canada, with its decades of expertise, is perfectly positioned to lead the charge. But here's the thing, this isn't just Canada's story. It's a reminder that space exploration is a global endeavor, and every decision, every pivot, has ripple effects across the industry. As we wrap up, I'm left with this thought: what does it mean for a country or company to truly innovate in space? Is it about building the biggest rocket or the most advanced robot? Or is it about seeing the potential in what you already have and reimagining it for a new purpose? Canada's move with Canadarm3 feels like the latter. It's not just about reaching the moon, it's about thinking differently to get there. And that, in my opinion, is the kind of mindset we need if we are going to tackle the challenges of space exploration in the 21st century. So, what do you think? Is this a game changer for Canada, or just another step in the long journey to the stars? Let me know in the comments below.